Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing 3 different Dollar Tree fall DIYs. The first one, you're just going to need that 2.5 by 3.5 frame. I threw out a bunch of fall decor and like crafts I already have that I have not used yet. So I just wanted to start using everything up, and I know I won't get the chance, but I thought that this would be a good time. So I'm just going to take the frame apart, and then I'm just going to add this contact paper. I got this a long time ago through a company called Practical WS. This was the last of it I had. I have some weird like obsession of using contact paper with picture frames, and then now I'm just going to start laying everything out, and I'm just going to cover this like a big collage.
Celebrate, celebration, celebrate, 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 celebration, celebrate. Hey, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad in the corner of my class. Boy, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad. Oh yeah. Don't be mean. You're here all alone and you know it. Hang on, 'cause we're gonna turn it up. Don't you see? I'm here all alone.
And this was so easy to make, and everyone's probably wondering why I even added the contact paper if it's not even going to show. It was a just in case I wasn't able to cover every little crack and little spot, then I wouldn't have just a boring like black background. But I actually you didn't even see the contact paper, which is fine, but I mean I kind of wish you'd be able to see a little bit of it. But I was really excited to get some of these little like pumpkins and all these like fall flowers gone and actually used up. And then I also decided to add a couple things I got from Target, that little fall, and then I also added a thanks at the bottom. And those are just from the Target, the Bullseye's Playground for $3 for a bunch of them. And then this is what it looks like when it's all done, and I really love how this turned out. I think it is so cute, and you could just set it on a shelf or you can just hang it on your wall. And then the next, I'm just using a wreath. This was just like a mini one from the Dollar Tree, and then some of this burlap, and I'm just going to wrap the burlap all around the wreath. And then once the wreath form was covered in burlap, I just started attaching flowers to this. And I'm just going to be actually making this as like a small little centerpiece. You can set this in the center of your table with like a vase in the middle. I made one of these a long time ago using one of the foam wreaths, but I did not have one of those. But I just thought that I would use this, and I love how this turned out. And I love these like burlap flowers from the Dollar Tree. I think they are so cute. And then to kind of take this all apart, I decided to use these little like white mums. I think these are so cute. And then I also just added a little pumpkin to the bottom. And then for the last DIY, I'm just using this mason jar with this like nautical rope. I've got this from the Dollar Tree during the summertime, and then I'm just going to use these harvest leaf picks. I got those from not the Dollar Tree, I got those from Walmart, and then I'm just using some turkey feathers. Our neighbor gave us a bunch of these, and she just found them in her yard, but I thought they'd be really cute, since I think these are kind of like a Thanksgiving fall decoration, and Presley loved helping me do this. And this was so simple and easy. I just used acorns and these leaves and then some of these turkey feathers, and then I just put this right in the center of my little decor wreath that I did. Alright you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching us make these 3 simple DIYs from the Dollar Tree. I love making inexpensive fall decor, and I just love how these turned out, and Presley had to show them all. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Press, did you do that one all by yourself?
Yeah.
Aww.